Hello and welcome to Fionn School of Christmas Baking. Today we're going to be making chestnut and red wine pâté en crôute. You will need vegan butter, 2 medium onions, 2 garlic cloves, button mushrooms, red wine, white breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, puff pastry, plant-based milk, and chestnut puree. Start by chopping the onion. Then melt the butter in a large saucepan, add the onions and fry for 10 minutes until tender, not browned. Next, chop the mushrooms and treat the garlic like your enemies by crushing it. Add these to the pan and cook for a further 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in the wine and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes until most of the liquid has bubbled away. Remove from the heat and stir in the chestnut puree, breadcrumbs, and season with salt and pepper. Then stir it all together until it is well mixed. Roll out the pastry and cut into 2 strips of 22 by 30 centimeters and 15 by 30 centimeters, putting any excess aside. Brush a baking tray with cold water and place the smaller strip onto it. Spoon the mixture onto the pastry, leaving a gap around the edges. Brush the edges with cold water and cover with the larger pastry sheet. Press lightly and pinch the edges together. Brush with plant-based milk and use the excess pastry to decorate. You can decorate however you like, but I have chosen bunnies. Poke some holes along the top and it's ready to go in the oven. Cook for 30 minutes at 200. Use this time to prepare any sides and vegetables, but remember to share those peelings. Once evenly browned, remove from the oven and it's ready to serve. Merry Christmas, everyone!